So don't trust Google Maps. I was able to ask directions. Oh, hold on a second. This is the Volkswagen electric van. I like it. And here's Vigeland Sparken. Vigeland Park. Although I approached it from another side. On the hop on hop off, it was from the other side, I think. I'll have to walk all across to go ride the hop on hop off, I guess. But see the stairs there? I can probably fly my drone here. Came from that direction, and it's actually good to ask directions. You cannot trust Google Maps. So I found it right from the other end though. So climbing the stairs here. Another stairs on the right. Yeah, climbing. This is nice. I climbed the stairs and lo and behold, I see the sculptures. This is a very nice park. Nice park here. I think, yeah, this is where I can fly my drone. Around here. Yeah, around here. Maybe, yeah, I think around here. Maybe facing this way. Yep. And that's where it came from. And I asked a lot of people. People here are very nice. They're very helpful. I've been past a soccer field. Yeah. And they were... The guy was putting a tape, kind of caution tape. He helped me. So you cannot trust Google Maps. When in doubt, always ask for directions. And that's the sculpture there. Okay, now climbing down these steps here. Then once I reach the bottom, I can fly my drone. I believe. I'm gonna fly my drone. There, down there. It's a perfect spot. A lot of people too. So that's where I came from. I just flew with the drone there. So far no cops. We shall see. I shall see if anyone reports me. And I'm doing a 360 here. And that one in the middle is the giant sculpture. So I'll go up. I got a giant totem pole of human bodies. I don't know what signifies. Maybe hell, who knows. Okay. Go climb up here. Okay, here we go. Yeah. There you go. Really nice. Oh, there must be a street performer there. People are moving around. Yeah. I'm gonna watch it. Oh, they are dancing. Scupture. Yeah. Some more. 2. Oh, there's a lot of them. Dancing this way. One more.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. sculpture is more interesting. To be honest, sculpture. There you go. A giant totem pole here. We're on top of the sculpture. Actually, if you go down, there's more sculptures there. I think that's where the hop on hop off bus stops. I better walk in that direction. A lot of the sculptures are nude bodies, you know. This guy is really into nudity, you know. And that's where they're performing. I'm standing on top of the main sculpture here. That's the main sculpture. Main sculpture here. And these are the performers. A lot of students here. They're doing some kind of mob. Flash mob dancing. Yeah, flash mob dancing. So one last video here. And at the very right, there's the flash mob dancers. And that direction is the up and up of bus. But the gate is closed, so I gotta go on a side gate here. And this is the rest of the park. And again, that's the center of the Vigeland Sculpture Park. And the flash mob is on that side. The dancers, no, I'm not sure. Is this where the hop on hop off bus is, or is that where it is? I think it's this one. Yeah. Right here. That's where I came from. Gonna go down these steps. That's the fountain, and also near the middle. There are a lot of sculptures here. All again with all the nude bodies. And we'll do a 360 here. Walking around. Go walking towards the hop on off of us. Hopefully. We shall see. I could be wrong. So I'm leaving Vigeland Sculpture Park. That's where I came from. Leaving it, so heading towards the hop on off off, which I just confirmed the stop is in this direction. So I won't be wasting my effort here. If I walk all the way to the end, should be able to ride the hop on off off. A final shot of all the sculptures here before I go to that gate. And there's supposed to be an angry baby sculpture here. I'm looking for it, so I'm gonna have to find it.